Hey, what's going on, everybody? Down here in downtown Naval. Gosh, exciting day today. I'm meeting a couple of friends that I met here. Been here now, several nights. Really dig this little town, small little province town, right, in Biliran. And I'm on my way to go to some waterfalls. So I'm meeting some friend, Rose and Lamé. And actually her real name is Flora, but she goes by Lamé. Really cute girls, man. College girls here, local girls, really fun, sweet, just friends, but really sweet girls. So they've been nice enough to offer to take me down to some local waterfalls here. So getting ready to do that. An adventure today. I'm going over to pick them up. Beautiful waterfalls. And actually Chad and I went over there a couple of days ago, but it was rainy, so really wasn't the best day to kind of vlog it and show you guys. So beautiful sunny day today, so I'm excited about that. The ride over there is absolutely stunning, really gorgeous, really beautiful roads, and so yeah, exciting day, exciting times. So we'll be back in just a minute after I pick up Rose and those guys. They're just a couple minutes away. All right, everybody, I got the girls. We are heading up to the waterfalls. Should be about looks like about a half-hour ride. And really beautiful scenic road. Excited about it. So we'll record in and out throughout. So, you guys good?
Yeah, we're good.
All right, sweet. Yeah, Ulan-Ulan Falls. Really, there are several waterfalls here in this region, as well as some islands, and we'll probably check out quite a few here with these girls. They're they're in school. They're first-year students here at the local university, and they got a break here, so they're kind of free and available for the next couple of weeks. So we'll probably do some trips with them, a couple of islands and stuff like that, as their schedule allows it. But today we're going up to Ulan Falls. We're going up there. Up to the falls?
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful, eh?
That's the
I think actually the falls are kind of right over there. Yeah, we have a really good view of the city too as we look down. So that's your first time here going to the falls, right? Yeah. Yeah, so it's really kind of fun for them also too, as far as kind of getting around and seeing stuff, as they don't really maybe have the opportunity to kind of check this stuff out. So, all right, guys, I'm going to turn off the camera for right now, but then I will come back when there's some really cool scenery and stuff to see. All right, guys, we're back. We got about 15 minutes left. We just turn off the main road, around this side road. I got Lemmy and Rose with me. Say hey. Hey. And yeah, just a couple minutes away. We had to do a little finagling with the LTO. So I'm seeing like passengers and stuff without helmets on, but it is actually kind of the law for them to wear helmets, and so we kind of dodged around a little bit with some Filipino ingenuity with the trike going around. Hello! And so we dodged the LTO checkpoint, and now we're back on and heading up there. But yeah, so we are on our way. Just a couple minutes, but gosh, this road is just so beautiful. Chad and I were out here the other day. Shout out to you, Chad, man. Hope you're doing good. He's back at the hotel doing his thing, but yeah, just really beautiful thing, beautiful day, beautiful road, man. Just look at this riding in the Philippines. I really love it. You know, as a motorcycle enthusiast, these roads are really not bad. You know, mostly it's all paved. I think a decent ADV bike, and you're fine, man. You know. Himalayan 450, you know, great machine for this, I think. So yeah, you know, not much, you know, you got just mainly just paved stuff all the way. So little sections of kind of dirt and stuff like that, but I think most adventure bikes, man, I think it's this road, you know, we're deep in the jungle, gorgeous. But this is life in the Philippines, gentlemen, right here. Yep. Oh, the rice terrace is over here. You know, life in the Philippines right here. Just cruising around, finding some waterfalls. Dig it. but it's all right. At least it's not raining. I think the next couple of days are supposed to be a little bit overcast, and then it's supposed to be sunny. Man, it's just a beautiful view out there with all the palms, coconut trees. I'm really liking this part of the Philippines. It's Biliran. There's really a lot to do here. Lots of islands to go hop on, and waterfalls to see. So just digging it. Plan on spending quite a bit of time out here. Rose is out of class until I think she said April or so. So we'll probably, the three of us will probably hang out quite a bit. So you'll see a lot of them around. Just some sweet girls, you know. They're just friends, right? Just friends. So. Yeah. Good times in the Philippines, ladies and gentlemen. Good times in the Philippines. It's beautiful. The cornfields here. And can you imagine living out here? I mean, honestly, gentlemen, the more I'm away from the city, the more I really just kind of love this kind of lifestyle. I mean, it's just so beautiful out here. People are friendly. I seem to think really have it better. For me personally, I vibe better out here than I do in the city. You know, I like the city, don't get me wrong. There's just so much going on there and so much to do, and you know, you've got your choice of restaurants and stuff, and you know, whatever things that you need. But this, man, this is just, you know, just truly spectacular, beautiful. And then too, I just think the people too, I'm really liking the province kind of way, lifestyle. People out here. We'll see. I think the ideal situation that a lot of people talk about is you have your you know, like Cebu City or whatever is your base, and then you just kind of have like a second place or whatever out here. You know, the girls were talking about their apartment. It's only like 5,000 pesos a month, so it's a 2-bedroom apartment. It's really could really have some affordability or some, you know, have multiple places. It's really possible. Oh, sorry. Alright, I'm just gonna leave the camera roll. I'll put in some music along here. You guys just enjoy the scene. We got about 9 minutes to the falls, but I'll probably cut some of this out. Actually, if I remember correctly, these next couple of minutes are just so beautiful. The rice terraces. Yeah, so you can see the terraces here on the left. So they harvest them, so they're picked. That's one of the things that I'm noticing as a photographer is that, yeah, so in the distance there's one that haven't been harvested yet, but you want to try to get them right before they harvest, and that's just so beautiful. Otherwise, you know, after they harvest, it's kind of just a brown field, right? Here's some fields coming up, man. Yeah, just look at this scene coming up here, man. Holy mackerel. Just absolutely spectacular right through here. Yeah, really cool, lush green field, right field on both sides of us here. Man, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, so if you can time your photography and videography around this stage of the harvest, and I think they have like 3 or 4 harvests a year, but it really makes a difference in the scene, right? Because otherwise this would be all brown. It probably will be in the next couple of days since they look like they're harvesting now. Here on the left is how they're drying it. So they'll put it out on the road to dry. Yeah, it's unbelievable. I love this country. Love the people, love the views. Amazing, amazing, amazing. it's good. There's a path. I was here a couple days ago. You guys okay? All right, back on the main road. All right, got about 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Oh, beautiful here to the left. Really cool scene. Man, it's just gorgeous. Rice terraces all around us here. Yeah, there's harvesting over there. Looks kind of fun. Looks like they got kind of some pools and slides and stuff there. Drove by there. It was like a popular spot for the locals to hang out at and go swimming. Yeah. Just as a heads up, this is not it. Google Maps says that's it, but it's not. It's just a little bit further up the road here. It's beautiful though. Really good views over here of all the palms. Up here, there's some trees I haven't really noticed before up on the right here. I don't know if you can see them. There's, yeah, look at vegetation got a little bit up in elevations, a little bit different. I'll do a screenshot too of the altitude. I guess around 2,000 feet or so. But it does change as you kind of go up in elevation. What I've noticed, the trees, vegetation. Yeah, some of these might be even like, I mean, just look at this area. Man, it's gorgeous. Man, it's so beautiful. Everywhere around me. Sorry. A little bit steep section here. The bike is chugging up in second gear. This is the fall. This is Ulan-Ulan Falls there. Come all the way here. A little bit of a fee and stuff to get here, but not Yes. Oh yeah, we made it down. All right, we're heading down the steps. A little bit of a hike, not too bad. It's easier definitely going down than going up. We made it, right girls? Yes? We made it?
Yeah, finally.
Finally, right? We had a little bit of a detour. We had to do a little bit of Filipino ingenuity, right? Yeah, that's great. I can hear it. Wow, so beautiful though. I can hear the waterfall. Beautiful scenes through here. Guys, I took a bunch of photos here, so I'll put in photos and stuff too along the way. It is just really, really beautiful. Coming from Colorado, this is not at all what I'm used to. What are you guys studying again in school? I don't remember. What are you guys studying in school?
Information system?
Information systems, that's right. And right now you're learning C++? Yeah, that's cool. And did you say you already know Java?
Oh, C++, it's C#.
C sharp? Oh, okay, yeah. So you guys are,
Java, I think it's on our second year.
that's cool. That's awesome. Yeah, and actually, like I said, when you graduate, I know a couple guys in that industry because that was my industry too. I was a IT professional for 20 plus years, but so I'm meeting a lot of guys here who are in that. One in particular, he runs a business out of, he's actually in Manila right now, but he's looking for programmers like that. So maybe once you guys graduate, I'll introduce you.
Maybe we have this,
What's that?
summer job to them, like the learning thing. Yeah, summer job.
Summer jobs, learning? Oh, okay, yeah.
Like for having
Like,
experience.
like an intern stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah, great. Get lots of experience that way. Yeah, so it's just, I was really impressed by that, you know, their IT studies here and learning the language. Yeah, this looks a little bit slickery. Looks a little bit slickery, a little bit green. How you feeling, Rose? Do you need some ass cough? So ass cough is cough medicine. That's the name of some cough medicine here. So, which is kind of honestly backwards. It should be called mouth cough. Anyways. Yes, we're almost there at the falls. I can hear them. Are you guys gonna go swimming or is it too bug now?
I go swimming.
Yes. Oh, wow, that water is so beautiful. Yeah, check this out. I'm sure you guys can see it now. Falls are coming into view. Just beautiful. Yeah, looks like there's some people down here, but not too many really. Yeah, a couple people down, but not too many. All right. Yeah, so we made it to the falls. Made it here. We're gonna go down. We're gonna get set up down there. I'm gonna get the drone up too. We'll get some aerial shots. We're gonna spend the day out here just shooting and taking pictures and stuff and hanging out and swimming. So back in a little bit with more. All right, I think we're gonna try to do some swimming, but Yeah, it's a little bit on the cool side, but we'll give it a shot. Here we go, guys. Thank you. Salamat, salamat. Oh, that was great. Enjoyed it, loved it. Oh, yes, life in the Philippines. Woo. My bubbles are on the tank though. The bullets are on the tank. It's okay. The price we pay. Oh, so beautiful right here. Look at that. Oh, man. Yeah, yeah. Nice, right? A little bit of a ride home again, like 26 minutes, and then we'll be home. But just a gorgeous ride. Enjoying the motorcycle riding here. Really nothing like it. Ah. Great view from up here. I don't know what the camera's going to pick up. Some really cool islands in the distance. Let's go. Yeah, roast is actually a little bit on the sick side, but we both had a bug yesterday. Mamie has been fine, a little chipper little self, but actually I feel much better today. All right, guys, we're gonna pick it up in just a little bit. I'll start recording again when we get to that really beautiful scene again. I'll turn the camera off for now. Yes, we made it. What'd you think? Good trip? Good times? Yeah?
I enjoyed it.
Fun, right? Beautiful. That's the first time you guys have been there?
First time.
Yeah? Yeah, I liked it. It was nice. All right, well, thanks for joining me on the trip. Quite the adventure. We will, nap time? Yes. Oh, you have to go to the bathroom? Oh no, nap time? All right, we'll catch you guys later. MP, ayo, ayo.